transformation problems. Today we will discuss bilinear transformation problems. Exam question. Okay, very important concept. One question is must and should be there in your exam. Okay, then write the question. Find the bilinear transformation. Find the bilinear transformation maps the point which map the points z is equal to 1 comma I comma minus 1 into w is equal to I comma 0 comma minus I. Okay, we need to find the bilinear transformation. First we have to write the bilinear transformation statement. Let w is equal to az plus b divided by cz plus d. Okay, be the required bilinear transformation. Be the required bilinear transformation. Be the required bilinear transformation. Okay, then the next here point is given z is equal to 1 comma I comma minus 1 and w is equal to I comma 0 comma minus 1. Okay, we have to substitute the value. Okay, take down w is equal to az plus b divided by cz plus d. Substitute a value and b value. Substitute the z values and also w values. Okay, then substitute the given value of z and w. Substitute the given values of z and w to obtain three equations. Okay, here z is equal to, take down z is equal to 1 and w is equal to I. Okay, w is equal to a into, in place of z substitute 1 plus, in b write down as it is, and in place of z substitute here 1 and d. Okay, then in place of w we have to substitute I value. Okay, means I is equal to a into b plus b divided by c into 1 plus d. Okay, then do the simplification. Okay, here I is equal to a plus b divided by c plus d. Then c plus d shifted to LHS part. I into c plus d is equal to a plus b. Okay, IC plus ID is equal to a plus b. Then call it, then next step a plus b, ci shifted to RHS side minus ci, then ID also minus ID is equal to 0 minus id is equal to 0. Okay, call it as equation number 1. Call it as equation number 1. Then write down. The next question, the next point, here z is equal to I. Then take down next point, z is equal to I and w is equal to 0. W is equal to 0. Then it gives, again take down bilinear transformation. Means bilinear transformation statement is what? W is equal to az plus b divided by cz plus d. Okay. Then substitute the w value. W value is 0 is equal to a z value is I plus b whole divided by c into, in place of z substitute here I and plus d. Okay. Then next, here ci plus d is shifted to LHS side. 0 into ci plus d is equal to ai plus b. Ai plus b. Okay, then 0 into anything is what? 0 here, means ai plus b is equal to 0. Call it as equation number 2. Call it as equation number 2. Write down. If any doubt is there, no, now only ask me. Okay. Then, okay, completed, no? Then take down z is equal to minus 1 and w is equal to minus I. Z is equal to minus 1, w is equal to minus I. Okay. It gives, okay, take down bilinear transformation. In place of w, substitute minus I. A in place of z, substitute minus 1 plus b whole divided by c into, in place of z, substitute minus 1 plus d. Okay. Then next, minus I is equal to a into minus 1 is minus a plus b divided by minus c plus d. Minus c plus d. Okay. Then minus c plus d shifted to LHS side, minus I into minus c plus d is equal to minus a plus b. Okay, then minus a, then minus into minus, what will happen? Plus ci plus minus into plus is minus d into I minus di is equal to minus a plus b. Minus a plus b. Okay. Then minus a plus b. Okay. Minus c plus ci minus di shifted to RHS side. Minus ci. Okay. Plus ci will become minus ci. Then minus di is shifted to RHS side. It will become plus di is equal to 0. Is equal to 0. Then call it as equation number 3. Okay, call it as equation number 3. Okay, then write down equation 3 here. 3 equations write down here. A plus b minus ci minus di is equal to 0. Then ai plus b is equal to 0. Then b minus ci is equal to 0. b minus ci is equal to 0. Okay. Then observe here. This is equation 1, 2 and 3. Okay, we have to take the 2 equation. If you take the 2 equation, at least one variable will get cancelled. Okay, observe here 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Okay, if you take the 1 and 2, what will happen? B get cancelled. But again it will become a 3 variables. Okay. Now don't take it and take down 2 and 1. 1 and 3. Okay, if 1 and okay, if you take 1 and 3, 1 plus 3 means here minus a plus b minus ci plus di is equal to 0 plus di is equal to 0. Then this is equation number 3. Then observe here 1 and 3 take down. What will happen? Plus c and minus c get cancelled. Minus di plus di get cancelled means 2 variable will get cancelled. That's why take down 1 plus 3. 1 plus 3 means here a plus b minus ci minus di is equal to 0. 3, then take down equation 3 here, minus a plus b minus ci plus di is equal to 0. Okay. Then here plus a and minus a get cancelled. Plus di and minus di is get cancelled. Plus b and plus b is 2b. Minus ci and minus ci is minus 2ci is equal to 0. Then b minus ci is equal to 0. Call it as equation number 4. Call it as equation number 4. Okay. Write down. Okay, next we have to multiply the cross multiplication. In cross multiplication, we want 3 variables. Okay, if you take 1 and 2, observe here, if you take 1 and 2, 1 and 2, A, B, C and D are 4 variables. And in second equation, 2 variable. Okay, here 4 variable will come. Okay, don't take it cross multiplication rule. And come to 2 and 3. 2 and 3 also, here 2 variable, equation 2 having a 2 variables and equation 3 is having a 4 variables. Okay, this is also 2 and 3 is also not possible. Then take the 2 and 4 observe here, 2 and 4. Okay, 2 and 4 take down, solve 2 and 4. Write the equation. 2 is ai plus b plus 0c is equal to 0. Okay. Then equation 4 is not having a term. That's why we are writing 0a plus b minus ci is equal to 0. Okay. Then we have to apply the cross multiplication rule. Applying the cross multiplication, applying the rule of cross multiplication, we have writer applying the rule of cross multiplication, we have, okay, here a, if we are taking a here, means don't take down first column, okay, this element don't take it, a element don't take it, take down only b and c elements. Okay, the coefficient of b is 1 and then coefficient of c is 0. Okay, then come to second equation, the coefficient of b is 1, then the coefficient of c is here minus i, then b, then here minus b, rule only, my middle term is b, minus b, then here take down, don't take it middle term, middle column, b, okay, don't take it, the coefficient of b terms, okay, then the coefficient of, here the coefficient of a term is I, then the coefficient of 0 term is 0, the coefficient of c is 0, then come to second equation, the coefficient of a is 0, then the coefficient of c is minus I, then take down c, then consider c terms, okay, don't take this one, last column, don't take it, the coefficient of c, take down the coefficient of a and b. The coefficient of a is what here, I, then the coefficient of b is 1, then the coefficient of a is 0, then the coefficient of b is 1, okay, then the coefficient of b is 1. Then a by 1 into minus I is minus I, 1 into 0 is 0. Okay, then minus b, I into I minus I square, 0 into 0 minus 0. Then c, I into I is I square, then 0 into 1 is minus 0. Okay. Okay, I into 1 is here 1, no, I into 1 is I. Okay, write down. Then a by minus I minus 0 is minus I. Okay. Then minus b, my I square is minus 1. Okay, minus of minus 1 means minus 0. Then c by I minus 0 is I. Okay. Then next step, a by minus I is equal to minus b by minus into minus plus 1 is equal to c by I, is equal to c by I. Okay, then we are considering constant or 1. Okay, then I'm taking here constant 1. Okay, 1. Then what will happen? A is equal to minus I into 1 is 1, minus b is equal to 1 into 1, and c is equal to I into 1 is I. Okay, then Here A is equal to 1 and B is equal to minus 1, C is equal to I. B is equal to minus 1 and C is equal to I. Okay. Okay, then we know that A value, B value and C value. We need to find the D value also. Okay. Then take down first equation. A plus, take equation 1, A plus B minus Ci minus Di is equal to 0. Okay, A plus B minus Ci minus Di is equal to 0. A value is 1, B value is minus 1, then C value is I and I, then minus Di is equal to 0. Then 1 minus 1 minus I into I is minus I square minus Di is equal to 0 minus Di is equal to 0. Then here plus 1 and minus 1 get cancelled. Then minus Di is equal to, here what will happen, minus I square will become plus 1. Plus 1 minus Di is equal to 0. Then okay, here A value is what? Minus I into 1 is minus I. Okay, A value is here minus I. Here also minus I. Then A value is minus I plus minus of 1 minus I into my minus Di. Then here okay, here minus I minus 1 minus I square minus Di is equal to 0. Okay. Then next here minus I minus 1 minus I square is plus 1, then minus I square is minus 1, means minus into minus plus 1 minus Di is equal to 0, means minus 1 plus 1 is get cancelled, Di is equal to, okay, minus Di is equal to minus I will shift it to RHS side. Okay, then I get cancelled here. Then D is equal to minus 1. Here D is equal to minus 1. Okay. Then we know all the values. Here A value is equal to I and B values here minus 1. C values I and D values here minus 1. Take down bilinear transformation. W is equal to AZ plus B divided by CZ plus D. Here A values IZ, B values minus 1, C values I, Z, then D values minus 1. D values minus 1. Okay. Here A value is minus I. Then take down here minus common. Okay. Minus common. What will happen here? 1 plus ZI divided by, here also as it write down, take down minus common, 1 minus ZI. Okay, then minus minus get cancelled, 1 plus ZI divided by 1 minus ZY. Okay, this is the required bilinear transformation. This is the required bilinear transformation. Understood? No? Any doubt is there? No? Ask me. Okay. Okay, then next problem I will solve it in next class. Okay, thank you.